Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes now. The fire has died down just a little bit. We got a lot of coals here. What I did is I put some hickory bark on top of there. We turn the blower on. You can see how that's bringing up real nicely. Then all this coke right here, this is what I had previously. I'll push that in. Okay? Now I'm going to take my coal scoop here. Put some fresh coal on top. Sorry if you're out of camera view right in a second. There you go. Now, don't be fooled. The smoke you're seeing is not from the coal. It's actually from the wood underneath of it. Once that wood burns away, though, there will be no smoke whatsoever. A little bit of dirt in there. I want that. And there you go. Let this blow out for a little bit here. You hear that fire roaring in beneath it here. It's doing a great job. Now here's where the long part takes. Even though this coal is now well into lit, as you can see right here, it's not ready to work yet. We need to get a good coal base here. It's going to take about an hour for it to light, but once it's lit though, it's going to be a really hot and good fire. So we'll show you a little bit later. Alright, make sure you click on our other links here. Thank you for visiting the Number 9 Forge.